July 1789, the period of political, social, and radical change commences. The people had enough of the ancient regime. They had enough of the absolute monarchy, food shortage, slavery, assassination of the peasants and savagery, ferocity of the clergy and nobility. They had enough of waiting for an evolution to occur. Ultimately, these were the abolitionists who came out of the utopian world, deciding to revolt, and hence began the reign of terror, the father of revolutions, the French Revolution. Mr. President, the concert of calamities had just begun. The deluge wreaking havoc across the country. 2.5 million people sacrificed themselves for their rights and virtues. This commute was very demanding as it looks. This upshot and ramification of a revolution changed their future and bettered the lives of organized people. The abolitionists kept on waiting for a change and shying away of their individual responsibilities. But it was the revolution which made them learn that the sudden flight led them to success. Sow seed, but let no tyrant reap. Find wealth, let no impostor heap. Weave rocks, let not the idol wear. Forge arms in your defense to bear. Forge arms in your defense to bear. Mr. President, the abolitionists believe that the means justify the ends. They believe in soft power, mediation, and negotiations to resolve the international disputes. On the contrary, the abolitionists believe that ends justify the means, which is an eternal truth, bringing change through might and courage. The impractical approach of the abolitionists is questionable, as they find that the supreme art of the war is to subdue your enemy without fighting, which is again a utopian thought. Defying evolution, it was the Chinese Cultural Revolution led by Mao Zedong that gave China the hold of the world's economy. Defying evolution, it was the Russian Revolution led by Vladimir Lenin that made Russia the most powerful state. Defying evolution, it was the Cuban Revolution led by Fidel Castro that made Cuba the most stable state. Defying evolution, it was the American Revolution led by General George Washington that made America invincible and changed the world order. Mr. President, defying evolution, it was the Iranian Revolution in 1979 led by Ayatollah Khomeini that toppled the puppet kingdom of Iran after decades and centuries, resulting in a democratic republic as per the choice of the public. Rise like lions after slumber, in unvanquishable number. Shake your chains to the earth in dew, which in sleep had fallen on you. Ye are many, they are few. Ye are many, they are few. What is freedom? Ye can tell. That which slavery is too well. For its very name has grown to an echo of your own. For its very name has grown to an echo of your own. In this I rest my case.